English vocabulary quiz. This English vocabulary quiz is specially designed for A1 and A2 learners. It focuses on essential words and phrases for beginners. You have 25 questions to answer. Let's begin. She is a teacher. She works at a school. I usually eat cereal for breakfast. Please turn on the light. It's too dark in here. This book is fascinating. I can't stop reading it. My father drives a taxi. He is a driver. Could you pass me the salt, please? The sun sets in the west. I don't have any money. I am broke. We are going to the cinema to watch a movie. It's frigid outside. You should wear a jacket. She loves to sing songs in the shower. I can't find my keys. I lost them somewhere. This juice tastes very sweet. He always gets up early in the morning. The opposite of big is small. What's the time? It's before noon. She is exhausted. She needs to rest. Please write your name at the top of the paper. I want to buy some apples and bananas from the market. This soup is too hot. Let it cool before eating. My brother is very tall, but I am short. The traffic light is red. We need to stop. I love to swim in the ocean during summer. She always carries a watch with her to check the time. This dress is costly. I can't afford it. Don't forget to share your score in the comments section. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe because more valuable content is on the way. See you in the next videos.